In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a new Bitcoin address in Coinbase. Now, for those who might be new to cryptocurrency or just starting out with Coinbase, the platform is one of the simplest and most user-friendly means to buy, sell, and manage your digital currencies. So let's jump right into how you can get your new Bitcoin address within Coinbase. First things first, you'll need to log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up by downloading the Coinbase app or visiting their website. Ensure that your account is secure by enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Assets section. This is where you'll find all your current wallet holdings and where you manage your different cryptocurrencies. It's a crucial hub for all your transactions, so it's good to familiarize yourself with this part of Coinbase. Next, you'll want to head over to the section for transfers. Tap on Transfer and you'll see options for sending or receiving crypto. Since we want to get a Bitcoin address, select Receive Crypto. This will guide you to the next steps where we specify the type of cryptocurrency we're dealing with. When prompted, select Bitcoin or BTC as the asset you'd like to receive. It's important to ensure that you select the correct asset because choosing the wrong one can result in the loss of funds. Alongside this, you will also need to make sure Bitcoin is selected as the network you wish to use. Confirming both the asset and network as Bitcoin ensures there are no mix-ups and your Bitcoin gets deposited to the correct place. Now, here's the exciting part. After selecting Bitcoin and confirming it as your network, a new Bitcoin address will pop up. This address is unique to your account and is essentially your receiving address, like a mailbox for all your Bitcoin transactions. Take a moment to double-check that everything looks right. To use this address, you have two main options. You can either directly copy the address if you plan to paste it somewhere else, or if you're making a transaction where QR codes are convenient, you can simply scan the QR code generated for your Bitcoin address. This can be handy when conducting transactions from a mobile device. Finally, if you need another new address in the future, you can repeat these steps. Coinbase automatically generates a fresh address each time you go through this process, adding an extra layer of privacy for each transaction. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me today. By following these steps, you can effortlessly get a new Bitcoin address in Coinbase ready for your next transaction. Remember, always keep your wallet credentials private and safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.